Welcome to another video. This is going to be my last and final video of my website creating series using artificial intelligence. We used XAMPP as our web hosting server. So if you remember, in the previous video we started populating our database with some fictional data. So here you can see that I have some data. I am sure you also inserted some columns, some rows as I asked you to. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the database diamond clothes once we have inserted some data into it, and we are going to click export. We are going to export the database. You have to select diamond clothes on the left side, then you have to click export, then you have to export it. You can see that I downloaded diamondclothes.sql. I downloaded the SQ file of this database. So previously maybe you noticed I had that products, but I was just doing something else. Anyways, I'm going to upload that SQL file to my cloud. You can use ChatGPT as well. You can use Gemini as well. I'm going to use cloud. So I'm going to upload that SQL file, and I'm going to type a prompt. So I'm going to say here, this is my SQL database. The username is root. The password is 1234. And then I'm going to ask what I want to make out of it. So I'm giving it a fully created database so it can adjust the website according to my database and according to what I want to see. I'm also giving a lot of liberty to cloud. You can pause the video if really going to copy exactly what I wrote, but I recommend you to use your own mind. You can also use color schemes, designs. You can ask to have a hamburger menu. You can ask to put 2 products in a row or 3 products in a row. You can have just 1 product row as well. So it is going to create 2 files, a connection PHP and a home PHP. By the way, we are using a PHP format for this website. So go into your XAMPP folder, htdocs, right click and create a special folder for your new website. I'm going to name it something like diamond, maybe diamond clothes. So let's use a full name. I would say you can name anything XYZ ABC, doesn't really matter. I'm going to create a new document, a new text file. I'm going to name it connection.php, and I'm going to save it. So I'm going to right click it, or let me make the second PHP file as well, which is going to be named home.php. There we go. So I specified cloud to make the files with these names. You can use different names as well. I am going to copy the content of my connection file and paste it inside my connection file, which I made inside my folder. I could have downloaded the files which cloud made directly, but I'm going to do it manually so you understand what's going around. And I'm going to go copy the content of home.php file, copy, and I'm going to paste it inside the one which I created. So I'm going to save it, and theoretically our website is working. So we are going to go to browser, localhost / and we are going to use the name of the folder, which was diamond clothes. Diamond clothes. And here it is our website which we made using cloud. And this data is coming from that phpMyAdmin database. So it made a really simple website. I'm not going into several pages and administration panel and clients panel and delivery panel and everything. We can have CRUD as well. CRUD, it allows us to manage database directly from integrated web page. But let's keep it simple again. So this is it. I can insert 1 more product. I can show you how quick the database and this PHP connection works. It is immediately going to reflect any additions or subtractions inside the database. For example, I'm going to fast forward the video. I'm going to go to products, insert. I'm going to insert a new row, and I'm going to name it something, for example, business jacket and a fancy business jacket, whatever. You can insert something else, whatever you want. I just want to show you how it reflects. I'm going to copy a online URL. By the way, all of these, I do not intend to use their products. I'm just experimenting. It's a sample. I inserted it, I finalized it, and if I refresh the page, you can see that the new product immediately appeared on my web page. So do experiment, insert like 20 more products, try to make a different website, a car showroom, something like that. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.